One of the advantages of an industrial sewing machine over a home-based sewing machine is the ability to mount a knee-operated presser foot lift. I recently purchased this industrial sewing machine and it didn't come with the knee presser foot lift. I looked on the internet and I was able to find a knee lift lever that I could purchase for about $50, but was kind of holding off on spending that much money. And at my local industrial sewing machine repair and supply house, I actually found one for $11. So if you're thinking about buying one, you might see if you have a shop local to you that might have one. Now, this one that I bought for $11 is probably worth $11. It's pretty chintzy, but it works, and that's really all I need. In this video, I'll show you how I mounted it to the table. So here are all the parts for the knee lift assembly that came in the box, and unfortunately it did not come with any instructions. But the manual for my machine has a diagram of the knee lift that would have come with the machine, so it's not exactly the same, but it's close enough that I can use it to put this one together. Underneath the machine, on this particular machine, there are two levers. One is for operating a temporary zigzag feature, and the one that's on the right from this view is the one that operates the foot lift. So I need to install the knee lever so that the arm of the lever can interact with one of these two levers. In my case, I'll be using the foot lift, and you can just easily slide it over to use the zigzag attachment if you would prefer, but I don't see myself using that very often, so I'm just going to go with the foot lift. In my case, someone's already had a knee lift assembly attached to this table, so I'm hoping to just use the existing screw holes and place the knee lift in the same location. Well, as luck would have it, the previously existing holes don't match up for the lifter that I have, so I'll have to mark new hole locations. So I've screwed the brackets in with one screw each, so that way I can put the bar in place and be able to move the brackets, and then I'll tighten down the other screws. Well, after a lot of screwing around, this is how I have this set up, and I don't know if it's right, but it works, so for now that's how I'm going to keep it. So basically this arm interacts with the lever inside the machine. That raises the presser foot. This is the bar that the knee pad goes on, and that's what you push with your knee to lift the presser foot. And then this is a travel stop or limiter to keep the lever from going too far away, so that when it gets kicked back by the spring in the lever, it just stops. This came with this spring, which has this straight part here that seems to interact with a hole on the brackets, but I've tried everything I can to find something to hook this into that makes sense and makes this work any better, and I can't figure it out. If you know, please post a comment in the comment section below and let me know. As I've got it set up right now, it seems to function the way it's supposed to, but I've never had a machine with a knee lift, so I'm just guessing. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.